was good. Last night was a blur. That shit was crazy as fuck. I didn't film an intro, but today's the next day. Last night was crazy, boy. We was lit, we was outside. As you can see, we was playing with the Hot Wheels, you know. You know how we get down. But without further ado, I'm gonna show y'all all the footage and everything that we got last night, bro. That shit was, we had hella fun. I can't see.
I treat the whip like a spaceship. Gas break then dip. I ain't fuck with you niggas. I say gas break then dip. I don't fuck with you niggas.
Just a wee bit loud. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck is that? Nigga, what? Say what's up to the vlog, bro! Shout yourself out, bro! We're gonna say what's up to the vlog. We got two niggas in the car in the front and two niggas in the car right here. We outside tonight. It's Friday night, baby. Oh, hell no! Hey, we got everybody riled up tonight. We got everybody riled up tonight, fuck. What's up, y'all? We at In-N-Out. Who we got? Shout yourself out. You gonna be on the vlog, bro. Shout yourself out.
James_Youngin 209.
Say it louder, say it louder.
James_Youngin 209.
Yep. Y'all go follow him. Check out all his edits and everything. You know. Who we got right here?
Yeah, WG_7.
Yes, sir. Who we got over here, man? Shout yourself out. Hey, nigga, where you going? Shout yourself out. Shout yourself out. Say it, say it, say it.
No.
Say it, don't spray it. This is Ghostface right here. That's Ghostface. We outside. We getting litty. We probably could move the cameras over a little more too. But yeah, if you know, you know. Only the real niggas come outside at night. Only the gremlins.
You don't got ready lights in the car,
I do. She looks sexy. Wow. It's a beautiful fucking car right here. It's slow, but it's beautiful. Slow, but beautiful. Now that right there, 1,000 horsepower to the rear wheels. 1,000 horsepower. It's gapping anything known to mankind. Yeah, gapping anything. If y'all want to buy it, this is a 2007 Lexus. 2007 Lexus ILS twin turbo on stocks. Come get it, 10K.
No, I'm talking about him, not you.
You want to angle it? Point them like that.
Don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you. Don't run away. Don't run away.
Well, I'm about to start my car, nigga. I'm about to slash it, nigga.
Put it out, say fuck it.
Slowly losing trust, always when the pain begins. Nowadays I'm psycho, hanging on a tightrope. Alone I'm psychoed out, I don't mind though. I got hurt and I've been bleeding reservoir. It's the blood from fighting battles in the wars. Deeper wounds, heal with time. I didn't lose, I'll have my shine. We didn't come back crew, we come out before Mighty Ducks. I've been stuck and lost my patience, feel the pain just building up. I've been hurting for ages, I know my soul has had enough. I've been damaged and broken, I lost the keys to lock it up.
Fuck it. It's our vlog now.
Oh, shit, nigga. Fuck this nigga Joey. Shit. Oh, we out.
There we go. They're right there.
That took over Joey's vlog and shit. My YouTube now. Welcome to Stay Been Black Chris's YouTube. No more homeless Joe. This homeless fucker. This nigga. Kick this nigga's ass. Hurry up, you fucking Prius driver. Go! Jesus Christ.
Yeah, nigga, we got the car meet now. Ugh. Sheesh. It's lit out here.
There's your point right there, James. And it's got this 300 right here.
Sheesh.
Stop over there.
Nigga, we got the car meet in and out Stockton. You know what it is. Woo!
Bro,
Wake it up.
Why that truck fucking start nigga two-stepping us at
Nah, for nigga, you heard that bitch? I was like, what? Nigga, I was like, what the fuck is that? Canes, bro. I seen that. I was like, what the fuck? I seen that shit, bro.
Big motion, nigga. Big motion, nigga.
Sheesh. That bitch is clean. Oh yeah, you smell that.
Oh, look at Joey like that blue.
Oh, nigga, that's hard. That's fucking clean.
Look at with the little cow. It's not too hot.
That's wet, bruh. That nigga's clean. Oh yeah. I didn't get like big dog right here. It's just paper, baby. Oh, the vets. I was shopping. Bro, hey, why did I pull around? I seen this pink truck right here. I was like, okay, that look clean, bro. Okay, everybody with.
Really slap.
Damn, nigga, what is that?
Приводи нас на орбиту.
Inner voices got me thinking that I'm better off alone in this world, these demons, I can't shake them off. Inner visions going on inside my skull and all. My baggage is heavy, I'm hoping that I never fall. You don't know me, I done been through, I done seen it all. These bitches is grimy and niggas always quick to talk. It don't matter the location, I'ma really.
That was hella clean. The track? The track? What's the track doing here? Sheesh, murdered out? On the 4Gs? Damn. They got more cars? No cars, bikes, everything. That's what I wanted to park, but I was like, I knew if I pulled up. Oh, the GT. Oh, let's go over there. Walking with a gang. Dude, this is a fucking all-out fucking exhaust battle out here. God damn. I'm gonna go start revving my shit up. Bruh. Yeah, I just fucking go ahead and blow the motor in my shit. You got good insurance, right? Loud as fuck. Little Miata? Oh yeah, you know what mob this is over here. I said, you know what mob this is. Sheesh, bruh.
Bro, that
Bro, you should have never got rid of yours. That's sick. Hey, bro.
Did you get it from a website or the person who rapped it got it from?
No, I got it from a website.
He's like, I can't stop everybody.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Keep it going, man. Keep it pushing. What you gotta say, man, for your first time being outside? What you gotta say, bro?
Bro running good slicks.
Oh.
He said,
Oh,
big boost,
baby.
big boost. That's how Josh trying to get.
Oh, baby. Ooh. That fucking silver, that color is hard. That gray is sick, bro.
Blue go crazy.
Oh, hey, man. All right, back to what we was talking about. We got cut off.
It's more popping than for us.
Oh yeah, I told, cause he ain't never really been outside in Stockton like this, so he don't. He's like, I see his face. He's like, what the
Your
fuck?
first time out here in Stockton?
Like outside at night like this.
Like doing activities?
Yeah. I know, for real. How'd I get in that club? The little fins.
Bro, check the flake in the pink though. With the shin catcher.
I know, you can see it. The shin catcher saw. That boy came like a motherfucker, bro. Damn.
My lion, he got the shin catcher. Unforgotten, for sure. Look at, check the flake though, brother.
I know, you can see, bro, watch, put the light on there, bro. Woo! Look at that. That looks like fish scales on it. That's just clean. Oh, and he got the roll cage in there?
That's a house paint job, but
He got a roll cage in that bitch.
hell yeah, that is. For sure. Oh, look, the cops right there tripping, bro. He said, somebody rev it again.
Bro, I'll be back.